Everyone, Shraddha here. So today I'm going to tell you. So I just made small changes in my website, and you can see I have got 79 scores. So it was 85 actually. Then I made some changes, and now it's good. Went down to 79. But I'll just make it up, and will make it to 95 to 98% for sure. And yeah, you can see this thing here. So it's like, so whatever websites we are having, so it's like there are different kind of features or say attributes based on this SEO score will be there. You can see meta information, page quality, page structure, link structure, server, then external factors. Okay, so external factors will also cover link building. So link building is nothing but, so how many like what are the number of links that are connected to our website, and that will be taking somebody else to other website. Or maybe if I talk about others websites, so how many websites are there that will take user to in our website. So it will be like link building, and it's truly good because it's kind of traction. So if suppose if we are only having maybe 100 visitors, but there is a website with millions of visitors on a weekly basis or say daily basis. So if we are getting a chance to do link building with them, so obviously there is some sort of benefit for our website. Okay, so you can see just here. Firstly, I would like to in this video, obviously I will be just covering meta information. You can see 95 scoring is there, and this 5% scoring I won't be able to achieve because this 5% scoring is down because of my website. Okay, so my website is here. Okay, so you can see my website is scaleupmarketingsolutions.com, and website URL should be short so that it is easy to read, easy to remember, or easy to capture attention also. And when URLs are short, so they can easily get ranked on Google. But obviously, as I have already paid for domain, and also this brand is here since last 2 to 3 years, so I'm not at all going to change the name of this brand. And obviously website link will be the same for years and years, so I'm not at all going to change it. So that's why this 5% score I won't be able to achieve, like I won't be able to achieve. Okay, so now let's just see what are the things that will come inside meta information. Okay, so okay, you can see it right here. Meta specifications, you can see home page, you can just read it all. Okay, so these are the things. See, 580 word length is there, and you cannot exceed it if you are doing it. So your website is not at all going to rank anyway on Google. Okay, so meta description is very much important. If you are not at all adding it, so your information is incomplete. And whenever you must be like seeing it that whenever we write something on Google, so it's like firstly link will be there, and then short snippet that will be there. It's like shorts of meta description of whatever website is there. So it will be like elevate your online presence. Or suppose if I'm asking that what is maybe photosynthesis, then like in title part it would be like headline of it, say what is photosynthesis, its uses, how it happen, or something like this. And then downside it there will be 2 to 3 lines where short description of that definition will be there. So it's nothing but a meta description. This is also very important. So within 1000 this words length you can just write it out, and I have covered 585 pixels. You can just see it here. Here crawlability is like my website does not have any issue, so it will get crawled easily. You can see canonical URL. You can see this URL is there, it is valid. So language, you can see this, everything is fine. And server location is there, then alternate. Okay, I have already see, this is also very important. So when I asked the designer like 3 years back, so it was I just checked this like since last 1 month. I'm really seriously working on it, and I could find a lot of mistakes. Like each and every pages there were around 100 to 150 mistakes, and it took around 5 to 7 hours for me on a daily basis. Many times I sat till I think 3 a.m. also till night. So I fixed it. It was like whatever images are there, whatever service pages are there, you can just click there and you can just add each and everything. If I talk about title, meta description, everything you need to like write, you need to just keep it very neat, and whatever fields are there you need to fill it all. Okay, there is no alternate option. If that field is there, obviously you need to fill it. There is some uses of it to get ranked on Google. So I have just filled it all. If I talk about meta information, firstly I'm just focusing on my home page. so that I can just like at least some of my pages get ranked on Google, because complete website does not rank on Google. If you are writing some keywords with that particular, some of your like particular pages will be getting ranked on Google. Okay, so you can see it here. Okay, okay, this links, it's reference links alternate, and then also there is all keyword like all tags and all description, everything you need to write if you are doing it. Okay, and other meta tags I filled it all. There is no like a blank space that I didn't focus on. I just did it all. Just this is the thing that I cannot do anything with this. The domain name is very long. My company name is Scale Up Marketing Solutions, and I cannot just do anything with this. And even after like my domain URL, sorry, domain renewal date will be I think 17 September this year. Like last year I did it, so renew it. So again after this renewal also, while like renewing it, so I have no plan to change it to keep it short or something. So I will be proceeding with the same. So you can just, I'm sharing it all because so that you can learn something from it, and you can also work on your website. It is super easy, trust me. Just that you just need to sit, you just need to convey a lot of your time, you need to fix each and every things. And once done, then you can see within months, or say within, even within weeks also, you can just get ranked on Google organically. You need not to run any advertisement on Meta or Google AdWords, LinkedIn, Quora, or anything. You need not to do anything separately. Okay. So yeah, this favicon, you can see I have already covered videos. I have already posted it. So this favicon is linked correctly. That is, you can see this here, right? This is small icon is there. So this is nothing but this is favicon. You can see for YouTube, this is there. You can see this. Okay, so this is nothing but favicon. Okay, so yeah, this is also very important for LinkedIn also. You can see this is nothing but this is favicon. Okay, so if it is not there for your website, you can just, I'll just tag the link or add the link for in this website how to do this favicon to in your website. So you can just go watch this video, and you can just do it for your website also. So yeah, just want to talk about this. I'll just cover more such videos, and we'll try to come with more informative video that will help you to make your website more good, more like to get ranked on Google, and will also, you can also improve your website's SEO score along with me. So yeah, just want to talk about this. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. If you want me to cover any topic, just let me know. I will be covering that topic too. Stay tuned. Bye bye and take care.